So here we have a travel-friendly foldable wireless charging station. This is a 3-in-1 charging station. It has magnetic dual wireless charging pads for multiple devices. It's capable of charging iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch. You can charge 3 devices at one time. Included in this package is a charging block, Type-C cable, and a convenient soft carrying pouch. So this is a tabletop mount charging station that's foldable and has a convenient carrying pouch. You can charge headphones, cellular phones, smartwatches, all wireless. It has a charging block and it's an all-in-one solution. So we have 2 3-watt max charging stations and 1 15-watt max block. So it has built-in intelligent charging control. This way it recognizes your device, and it has circuit safety protections from overcharge protection, overcurrent, overheat, and foreign object detection. Not only is this super convenient, but it looks really cool in a nice color combination. It folds to a convenient 3 by 3 inch size and a 3/4 inch height. So super convenient, great for traveling, great for storage. So what would surprise you is that this is not a slow charger. The 15-watt side of the charger charges pretty quickly, even with all 3 devices connected. And the convenience of the slim design, foldable capability. I plan to keep this on my desktop for convenience. I just put down my devices and have them charging while I'm doing other stuff on my desktop. And when I do go on the road, this is going in my bag with me.